What's up, guys? What? Oh man, wind is woo, man. Tell you what, it is a windy storm. Look at this mat here, man. I'll tell you what. Stay down, stay down. We're taking the e-bikes. Yeah, here we go. We're gonna take the e-bikes, show you guys around. There's water over there coming up, and here we go. Here it is. Whee! Time to go. Let's go. All right. These bungee cords up. Put them up before they get blown away. All right. Doors locked. Great. All right. Let's go. Wind. Oh my gosh. Man. Here we go. Gotta buckle it up. Yeah, I gotta get this mat up. It's blowing all over the place. We're gonna take the e-bikes out. Yep. Holy cow, the wind just knocked the phone over. Oh man, look at this. That is crazy. The wind is so powerful.
What's up, guys? What's going on? It's Brian here. We're at it again. We're in the middle of a storm, a windy storm right now, because what's happening is the wind and the band is on its way here. In a couple hours, it should be here. Then it'll be raining. So we're going to go ahead and jump on the e-bike, and we're going to go ahead and take a ride out by the water and check it out, show you guys how rough the water is. It should be rough. The high tide's coming in. The water's coming in. That's a bad sign if there's going to be a lot of rain when the tide is coming in. That's not good. But as of right now, the wind is shaking the trailer. Luckily, I put all the water in the tanks, put the bikes in the camper, weigh it more down, and put my big ass in here. Hopefully, that will do some justice. But we're going to go take a ride, guys. We're going to go take a ride on the e-bike. Come enjoy the ride with me in a windy storm on an e-bike. You can't believe what could happen. Or wait, how should I? You don't know what's going to happen. So enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And commenting at the bottom and hitting that like button helps the algorithm. So please do that. Please and thank you. So enjoy this video. All right, so now we're out here. Hopefully you guys can hear me with the mic. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around and show you guys. So this is the water line right here. The water line has come up. It was this morning, on the video this morning, the water level was lower than what it is right now. It was where the seagrass all the way down. Now it's coming up. Yeah, it's windy, guys. It's windy. So hopefully, let's go take this bike ride. Had to put all the bikes up and fold up everything. All right, got the key. Let's go. We got 3 bars. All right. This is E.G. Simmons Park. Oh, I feel sorry for that guy with the tent. That's gonna be crazy. It's going to be crazy. Even this tent over here, that is going to be so hard in this storm. It's already blowing all over the place. Nice little bus. I'm cranky at 55. Please be patient. That's where we used to stay, right there. 76. Still a lot of people here. They've taken down most of their stuff. Oh, these are nice spots. Maybe I should move and come down here. There's the trash can that I saved Frack and Frit out of. Oh man, it is windy. Parking right there for the canoes and fishing. There's the canoes right there you can rent out here. There's your John. Hey! Let's go see how this band looks out here over the water. People out fishing. Oh, it's rough out here. Holy cow. There's nobody out here, looks like. Yep, nobody. Yeah, because it's pretty bad. So normally this water is all the way down where you can walk right up down here and normally walk out to about that sign right there. But it's high tide and that waterway is rough. You can see the white caps out there, guys. Let me zoom in. White caps, and then right over there in the distance you can actually see the trop still. Looks like in St. Pete it's raining. That's where Nick is right now. She's in downtown St. Pete. She says it's starting to rain and I can actually see it. The rain is coming in and that's where the storm is coming from. It's a line right here and it's going to come right across this way. If you guys can see, that's Tampa. Tampa straight away. That's Tampa across the way. So you got Tampa and St. Pete right over there. That's where we saw the fireworks for New Year's. The water's nice and clear at the moment. That's a good thing. All right, let's get back on the bike. Well, let's go walk over here real quick second. Yeah, the wind is picking up. They said there's going to be a lot of opportunities for a lot of tornadoes. They already had a couple tornadoes up in the panhandle of Florida. So just because the wind is really blowing around in circles right now. See how the wind's blowing that way right now? In about a couple minutes it's going to blow this way because that's where the storm's coming. It's coming this way. So there's wind going this way, wind going that way, wind going this way, wind going every which way. Nice little fishing hole right here. Hopefully Frick and Frat will be okay during the storm. They should be fine. Definitely nice fishing holes. This right here is the waterway that goes right behind our home, where I pointed at the beginning of this video. This is where that channel comes out into the bay, and then the bay into the Gulf. Yeah, so wind blowing all different types of ways, guys. Hopefully we can survive this storm. It should be okay. 45-mile-an-hour winds, they say at the top. Right now, I'm going to say about 30 at the gust. You know, the water is choppy. The water is coming up. Fingers crossed, guys. I'm just going to show you the park, what it looks like at the beginning of the storm. And then what we'll do is we'll do a ride after the storm if we're still, well, I think I'll still be here, but there might be a little, I don't know yet. So let's finger cross this, okay? And hope for the best that we are standing and A-okay, and then I can do a simple video of the aftermath and be okay, okay? So let's keep on riding and walking around and show you guys a good time right here at Wykoffs Adventures. Because we are on an adventure because there's a damn storm coming again. All right, so we're going to get back on. Oh, see, look, whoa, ho, ho. The bike blew over. We're going to go drive this way. Going against the wind, ain't too good on an e-bike. That's a nice little beach hole right there. They actually got a beach on this at this campground. Nice little beach. We're gonna go up here to this little walking area. Nice little cubby hole right there, so you can go fishing. And then you got this right here where we can go fishing. We go fish right here. Whoa, whoa. Okay. There they are. They're fishing right over there. Okay, okay. They're fishing right there. Another one of these docks right over there. Looks like there's an island right here, guys. There's an island right here. That is awesome. That's awesome. Maybe we can, maybe one day swim over there and see what's on that island right there. So this is another waterway where you come in. You got campers on that side. Yeah, it's a little windy. I don't want to lose my phone out here. That would stink. All right. Let's put my kickstand up. Let's get out of here and move on to the other area. A nice little fishing hole right there and a swimming hole. When I say fishing hole, that's where they go fishing, okay? And a fishing hole and a swimming hole are about the same. See, you can, oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. I guarantee you they would yell at us. But right here is a good spot for a swing right here. So you can stand right here and swing right off into the water. But I guarantee you the rangers here most probably will stop that before it even happened. But I mean, you can put a rope, you know, and then take it down, you know, like a portable rope swing. That'd be cool. Oh man. Oh yeah, it's gonna take a long time to get there because the wind's blowing at us. All right, you guys seen all this. So see ya a little closer. I'm on the east side motel. East side motel. There's the entrance of E.G. Simmons right there. And then we're gonna go this way. This is to the west side camping ground. Down that way is a playground and some more fishing holes down that way. Got more pavilions over here where you can bring your family, hang out, eat, drink, even take a nap if you want to. All right, we're coming on the west side camping ground, We'll check that out on the way back. We're gonna get out here to the water and the beach first. Oh man, that tent is down for the count. Holy cow. Yeah, it's a windy one. And then I'm gonna show you guys, we'll go up here. Nope, I think the way that you'll see it is back here. Do a U-turn. All right, so we'll go right here. Another great fishing hole. And if you guys can tell, right over there is where I stood out, and where the other, right there, the small island that's right there, that's where we were just at on the other side of E.G. Simmons. Yeah, hopefully we don't get no tornadoes, man. That's gonna be the downfall, I think. The tornadoes and the wind and the rain is gonna be the downfall. It might be the coastal flooding. They did say there is gonna be coastal flooding, so I'm hoping that we'll be okay on that. Not that busy. There should be nobody on the water right now. There's a bathroom right there. And here is the boat dock. This one's closed down. I can see because the dock is jacked up right there. This one's open. But yep, they got a dock here for fishing. Take your boats out. And then we'll go check this out. They got 3 cars over here, 4 cars. People are checking out the beach. But I guarantee you they are fishing. This is a conference right here where you can bring a party or something in that building. There's a playground, another bathroom, and there is the beach right here that we're heading to right now. And no lifeguard on duty. So this is the beach. It's a nice little beach. We'll take a walk on it. We'll put the bike right here. You stay there, okay? Wait a minute. It'll stay there. Definitely. If I take the keys, they'll stay. But if I left the keys, that sucker might have been gone. Nice palm trees. Should be trimmed, but hey. Looks like corrosion came up. The water comes all the way up there. And that is all palm tree roots right there. Them are all palm tree roots. Just simple, hairy looking vines right there. That's a palm tree roots. Millions of them. All right. Nice little beach that they got here. $100 giveaway beach towel was filmed right here on this beach 5-6 months ago. All right, back at the water again. See if you can tell, there is a buoy right here that keeps all the sharks and the bigger fish away from the people that are swimming in this area. But I doubt it. If the shark wanted to come in here, a shark would definitely come in here. And then also you guys can see the barrier. There's a barrier out there. That is a barrier, an artificial reef, what they put out there to slow down the waves. So there's no waves coming through this beach. It keeps it very calm, the way you see it right here, right now. Yeah, especially if the wind keeps blowing that way, it's going to flatten it even more. Yep, we're at the beach. The beach. So now we have made it to the beach here at E.G. Simmons. E.G. Simmons has a beach, a park, pavilions, campground. It's a nice place, but in the summer, it is infested with bugs. Basically mosquitoes, no-see-ums. That's the downfall at this park. Besides that, this park, I'll give it an A+. But the bugs here are terrible. Here now, during the winter, mosquitoes not here because it's cold, it's colder weather, but they have no-see-ums. No-see-ums are a pain in the butt. I would have thought that they would not be here due to the cold. Well, I was wrong. Just really, they only come out in the morning, midday, mid-afternoon, and then they're gone at night. So that's okay, but you got to deal with them during the day. But yeah, we made it to the beach. Lovely beach here. A lot of people come out, you know, this is what they use here as a beach over in Ruskin, Manatee County, because they don't want to drive an hour to a beach, so this is their beach right here. I can deal with it, you know what I mean? Instead of driving an hour, hey, why not hang out right here on this lovely beach. But let's get back to this windy storm that is coming our way. And yep, here we go. The police are out on the water now. There they go. They came out of that area back there and they're gonna go check some stuff out. That is the rangers and the officers right there. Rangers and patrol. Yep, Hillsborough County. Maybe, they're going to come into the boat dock. Let's go check that out. They're coming into the boat dock. That boat was in the cut over here at a boat dock. So they're going to bring it in and put it on a trailer. That's what I'm seeing. Yep, they're going to bring it in and put it on a trailer because of the storm that's coming in. So let's go check that out, all right? Yep, they're coming in right over there. They're right behind this wall, coming to the boat dock. And there is the county worker. And there they go. They're bringing it in because of the storm. They don't want the boat on the water. Yep, marine safety. Hillsborough County Marine Safety. Coming in, getting the boat off the water due to the storm. Perfect. They got it in there like swimwear. They had to get it off the water. No fishing from dock, so you can't fish out here, but you can gut the fish. You can gut the fish out here. That's the gutting station. Look at that. That's a nice gutting station. Holy cow. Yep. Yeah, that thing's broken. That's why it's closed down. And they're gonna pull it out. So you guys, show you them pulling it out. Bringing the motors up so they don't drag. Perfect. Big old boat right there. Man, that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty windy out here, so hopefully they're getting the boats off the water. So they're getting the boats off the water, so that's a good sign of things might be getting, I mean, it's not a good sign, but a sign of things are about to start happening. I just got smacked in the face by some sand because there's some sand flying around. Yeah. Anyways, let me go ahead and turn this thing around. Show you guys the kid park. The kid park. They got a nice kid park here. But the only downfall they have here at this kid park, they don't have swings, guys. They don't have no swings here. I don't know what happened, but at this park, they said no swings. But they do have a kiddie playground for the kiddos. All right. Palmetto, palm trees blowing, palmetto bushes blowing. Got a secret path through there. Another bathroom, it looks like. Got another pavilion there. Whoa. Another pavilion down here. Whoa. Oh. Nice little area here. I mean, you can set up, oh man, that would be cool for a hammock right there, guys. Hammock. Another pavilion right here. Oh, this one says no swimming in this area. What? That's crazy. That's a nice swimming hole. Man. And it looks like another island right here. Man, that's a nice swimming hole. You're talking about no swimming. But yeah, that's where we were earlier, where we came. So that's not the island. That's the island right there. And that's where we were just at earlier on the video. Wow, there's a boat out there. It's a boat right there. Hopefully they're all right. That would not be good. But yeah, right here, some hammocks. What? Swinging right there in the hammock. Nice trees for a hammock. All right, pavilions. Okay, that guy's over here fishing. That's who was fishing over here, right there. With that vehicle, he's over here in this corner. Another pavilion down here. So we're back at the boat dock. Back at the boat dock. We'll meet you real soon at the west side campsite. All right, guys, we're coming up on the west side campground. How you guys doing? All right. Look at that. The tent is down. Another bathroom, another pavilion, another for raccoons. Man, these tents are not looking good. The tents are not looking good. They need to get, oh, whoa. They must have left it for the raccoons. How you doing? Yeah, there's a storm a-coming. Yeah, there's a lot of campers here today. Another bathroom. They got 3 bathrooms over here. That tent's not looking too good. Yeah, I'm gonna say that the tents are not going to make it. They need to pack that up or actually move into their car. This is a roundabout here, and then we'll go back. But I'll tell you guys, I mean, maybe they're intimidated by the phone or the camera, but it's like when I wave at someone and they, yeah, okay, yeah, you see the camera, okay, you don't want to wave back. Or you don't want to say, hey, how you doing? Like I drove by them. You know, I was trying to get the sign. The car was there. They were there. It's not like I got your face. And if I did get your face, I'm sorry. You're now on YouTube. But I said hi to them. They didn't say nothing. They mumbled something under their breath and did not say anything. I don't know what's going on with this world today. Where are the kindness of people? You know, all you have to do is say hello. How are you? I know this world is garbage. I know this world has fallen down in the cracks, and we don't know if we can get our butts out of the crack. But the way to change that is for everybody's attitude to get better. Be happy. I know you might be in a miserable place, but at least have a smile on your face and say hi if somebody says hi to you. Please. That's a start with turning this world around. Kindness, peace, love. Come on, guys. Anyways, I really hope that you guys liked this video right here at E.G. Simmons State Park. It's really a county park, but I call them state parks. So it's E.G. Simmons County Park. It's a nice park, but it has its pros and its cons, but I'll show you everything. But as of right now, the con is there's a storm coming, and I don't know if I'll be here after it, okay? But we will be filming during and after, okay? So this is before. I just got a warning just now. Just now got a warning. Special marine warning in your area expires in 1 hour and 55 minutes. Damaging winds and tornadoes right now for an hour and a half. So we just got notified, guys. Just got notified there's tornadoes in the area. And man, and the marine is rough. We already saw that. Now it's time for me to get myself back to the trailer, upload this video for you guys to watch it, and then I'll do another video during the storm, showing you all that. But I really want to hope and say, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button, comment underneath. It helps the algorithm, and the thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you want. See you guys on the next recordings, the next adventure, right here at Wykoffs Adventures. Much love, guys.